Jiggly Kids TV.
Ready, set, go! Let's meet all the animals today.
Yellow ducky, are you swimming?
Yes, I am.
Splashing water, splashing water.
Look at me go, quack, quack, bam.
Pinky piggy, are you messy?
Yes, I am.
Playing in mud,
Look at me go, oink, oink, bam.
Big tall giraffe, are you hiding?
No, I'm not.
Eating green leaves?
Yes, I like them quite a lot.
Happy monkey, are you climbing?
Yes, I am.
Eating apples?
No, I'm eating sweetie jam.
Little puppy, are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Eating kibble?
No, I'm eating yummy ham.
Tiny bunny, are you hopping?
Yes, I am.
Eating carrots?
Busy kitty, are you sleeping? No, I'm not. Chasing feathers? Yes, I like it quite a lot.
Happy cow, are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Eating green grass?
Look at me go, moo moo, bam!
Little turtle, are you hiding?
Yes, I am. Crawling slowly. Look at me go, snap, snap, bam.
The piggy, the puppy, the cow and the cat, the monkey, the bunny, the duck in a hat. Together we dance and we